Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It has been a long time since we last talked. I think it's been about 2.5 to 3 months since my last update. So this is around the 10-month update for my crypto trading bot journey. I wanted to thank you all for once again joining. And if this is the first time you're joining me on my journey, the thesis of starting this channel was to prove if crypto trading bots actually make money or not, and I started this trading bot journey about 10 months ago, and I didn't know anything about trading bots. There's a lot of information out there, and I didn't know where to begin. So if you watch from my first video on day one, you'll see how I started with a couple demo bots, and then I put my actual money on the line on one live bot, two live bots, three live bots, and then eventually that gets to five. And in this video, I'm going to show you the results from running crypto trading bots for the past 10 months. So now um, start, we usually spend the first couple minutes talking about the crypto markets, Bitcoin in particular, because as Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market usually follows. And if you've been following the crypto markets, we've been in pretty much a downtrend or bear market all of 2022. And it's actually gotten a lot worse since my last update about 2.5 months ago. And to be honest, I haven't been paying too much attention to my bots since my last update. I actually just looked at them right before this video, and some of them they did surprise me. But before we begin, let's go ahead and pull up CoinMarketCap. So let's pull up CoinMarketCap real quick. So here we go. Here's CoinMarketCap, and let me just pull up Bitcoin. We're at 24,000. I think last time we talked, Bitcoin was at 30,000 maybe. So let's pull it up, and let's pull up the 3 month chart since it's been about 2.5, 3 months. So yeah, so last time we talked, we were right around here. We're at 29,000, and yeah, we last talked around end of May, and we're over here around 29, 30,000. And around June 11th, we just dropped hard, very hard. So we went all the way down. We actually hit a low of, let's see if I could get it here, $17,744. Maybe let's just say 17.5, 17.5 thousand on June 18th. So that was like the bottom, and we kind of bounced off that, and we hit about 21, and we've been bouncing. We've been in a range from 20,000 to, or let's just say 19,000 to about 21 or 22,000. And then around July, end of July, we hit a high of 24,000. We dropped back down to 21, 20, yeah, to around 21,000. And we've been in a range for about around 24, 22 to 24,000 since that. So this is July 30th. And look at that, we've hit 22.5 on August 4th. And right now we are at 24,000. So what happened? So let's look at the 1 month chart. What happened here? At the end of or mid July, we hit 20,000, and around this time, I don't know the exact date, but CPI numbers were released, and uh, it came in lower than expected. And since then, we've just been on a bull run, and since like mid July, we've just gone nothing but up. Let me pull up uh, SPY, the SP 500. So let's pull that up. So here it is. Here's a 1 month chart. So we were at a low of on July 18th, 3,800, and we are now at 4,300. So, crypto markets, they usually follow the stock market, and the S&P 500 is here, and we've just gone pretty much straight up since then. And it's August 15th, so for the past month, we've just gone nothing but straight up. Um, so what's going to happen? No one knows. But if you ask me, I do think that we're it's time for a pullback, and I think we're going to go back down and at least test the lows again. So I think we go under, in terms of Bitcoin. I think we're going to have a little pullback, possibly test 17,000 again. Um, I don't know if we'll get lower, maybe 15K, possibly 10K, but what the hell do I know? I don't know. I do not have a crystal ball. I'm no chart master. I'm not good in TA. I know the basics of TA, but you know, what I do know is that there are a lot of global issues right now. Crypto's still not decoupled from the stock markets, and there's a lot of uncertainty with the Fed and raising interest rates, CPI number comes back high again, we could definitely see markets go down even further. But that's you know the macro. But enough of that. Let's get into the bots. So here's the bots, and as you can see, they are all out of range except for this one, Shiba Inu. And the other thing is they've all actually made some money here. Let's start with ApeCoin. So ApeCoin here has made me $443. It's been running, as you can see, 3 months and 4 days. Had an average daily return of 0.41% over the past 30 days, or I'm sorry, 3 months. But look at this. So $443. But let's look at the detail at the chart. So if you look at these little circles, this is when it buys and sells. It's actually um, in range and making some trades. So apart from August 3rd through August 8th, it hasn't been running since the end of May. Um, so in May, it made a bunch of trades, and then June and July, it hasn't done nothing, nada, and pretty much August, except for these 5 days. So even though it's made me $443, um, right here, $443. If I regrid it at this low of $3.27, I would have made a lot of bot profit during this time. Um, so I definitely missed out on this. So what do I plan to do? I plan to regrid this, and actually there's a stop loss feature now. So my plan is to regrid this up until this, 625 mark, and put a stop loss maybe at, I don't know, 6 or maybe even 550. So what'll happen is it'll sell all of the ape, put it all into USDT, and then I'll come back in and regrid it. Hopefully, when we get down to a bottom, or what I would hope to be a bottom around like $4 or something like that. I don't know. I'm thinking about doing that, but we'll see. Um, Definitely got to put in some stops and be more active in this because I missed a lot of bot profits on this. It was actually the best performing bot, and it only was active for what, half a month, from May. What is this? May 10th through May 26th. So 16 days plus 5 days here. So 21 days out of 3 months. So barely, not even a month. And it made me $443. That's a shame. So let's look at Solana. Solana has made me $420. 420. Everybody loves 420. But it's actually, let's look at the chart. It's had some moments in June. Uh, End of June looks like, and in July it had some moments, and in August. And so I'll probably regrid this to just right above this, 0.18, and let's just see how that goes. Let's look at SHIB. SHIB's the only one, as I mentioned, is that is active, and over 3 months and 4 days, it's had an average daily return of 0.36% for $327, or 35% the on the initial starting point, and it's actually been active uh, a lot over this past 3 months. So it's actually been running pretty much the whole time. But look at this. The past, what is this? August 14th, 13th, 14th. So 3 days ago, it went up. I didn't even know that it went on this big move, and that's a. Let's look at the percentage here. So from here, it's gone up. Wow, SHIB's gone up 40% since August 14th. The past 3 days, it's gone up 40%. So that's a big move. So I'll probably put a stop loss over here somewhere and then regrid it if it comes down to that. And then let's look at KSM. KSM hasn't been performing very well. It's made me $73. It's been running for 3 months as well, but only average daily return of 0.08%, which is barely nothing. And look at this. It's been running, looks like July 14th through, so the end of July, and hasn't done anything since August. It had a big drop. Let's look at this drop. 20% drop. So I could have used a stop loss over here at this point, maybe around $8, and I would have saved some money. Then I could have came back and regrid this. I will probably regrid this and put another stop loss. But yeah, that's KSM. Let's look at Luna. Luna, as we know, Luna is Luna. I don't know if you guys remember, but I had I think the value in the last video, maybe not the last video, but a couple videos ago was at $10,000. So we lost a lot of money in Luna. But let's see, it hasn't done anything since the end of May. So yeah, I'm gonna take this one out. Let's see how much Luna I actually have. Actually, zero Luna. Look at that. 0.09 ETH though. So I did gain ETH on this, which is good. So let's so yeah, those are the bots. Let's go ahead and look at a summary real quick. So here's a quick summary of everything. So as you can see, 10-month update. I'm at a bot profit of $10,828. Um, and the last 2 months, or last 3 months, I should say, um, the most of the bot profit was, SHIB and Ape, these two, and it's given me a bot profit of 31%. And actually, so this includes Luna. So let me show you what it looks like without Luna. So without Luna, I just took it out. I'm at a 25% bot profit. Actually, this number is not right because I still have my initial Luna investment here. So I gotta take that out. So it should be close to this 28 to 30% bot profit return. But yeah, so that's the quick update. I just wanted to get on and let you all know where the count is. Now, with the market not performing well and in a sideways market, we're going to see exactly how bots perform. As you saw in the summary, this past 2.5 months, the bots made me about $1,500 in a completely down market, down and sideways trading market, and that's with me not paying attention to the bots. So with me paying attention and I'm implementing a stop loss strategy, I'll be able to preserve capital and then be able to redeploy and get coin even cheaper. So I do plan on taking out the Luna bot that I have, and I plan on adding an ETH and BTC HODL bot. And because my whole idea with getting bots was I want to be able to accumulate coin during a crypto winter, and we're in crypto winter, so let's see if we can actually accumulate coin. So, if you're following along, enjoying following along on this journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this channel. I'm always glad to have you join me on my journey. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all on the next video.